Hey guys, it's Steve Collins from Joint Physio here. We're just going to be talking through some of the fundamentals that go with all of the different lifts. So this is going to be core bracing. So one of the big things here is saying that we need to kind of get tension to task. So this is going to teach kind of the base level of tension, which then as you're kind of lifting heavier, obviously you're going to have to add on more contraction and also like Valsalva maneuver, etc. on top of this. But this is just nice base level. So what you'll find, this is to try to get people out of that kind of either really lordotic posture, or not very often people are in that real posterior tilted posture, but most time people finish their lifts in that really kind of lordotic posture. A lot of kind of active lower back and not really active through our hips. So that is alright. You'll notice that your best powerlifters, etc. will do that. That's because it can tolerate the highest training kind of intensity, but that comes at the case of you can't actually tolerate a lot of load with that until your joints will kind of start to get a bit cranky. So instead, trying to get most of your training in this kind of neutral position. This is where we can tolerate the most stress. So what I like to do with this is setting up external cues, because like everything, external cues is how our body learns best. So setting up a towel in the small of our back, I find is the best way to coach this. So what we're trying to do here, okay, on a nice kind of surface where the towel can slip out, starting off in this kind of quarter line position, and what you go, or line position with your knees up, and what you're going to do is just basically either with yourself or with a partner, you're going to try to stop yourself from pulling your towel out. So you can see if I'm too lordotic there and I'm soft through my abs, then the towel comes out easy, okay? And then that position there, the towel can't move. So that's basically what we're trying to teach. The other way to talk about it is that's a belly whack test. So if I were to get whacked in the belly there, be able to pass that every day. So then to progress this up, sometimes you'll use this to superset in your exercises. If someone doesn't quite get the idea of it, coming back to this concept in between is good. You can just progress it up by then going into your tabletop position with your leg extensions, added into that, or your double leg extension. Even I can't quite get out the whole way. But yes, that's our base level trunk activation. Cool.